surface area and volume. Let's first deal with what are 2D and 3D figures. Basically 2D which are related to area and 3D which are related to volume. Basically what is 2D? 2D means what D means. Basically D is dimension. Dimension means length, breadth and height of the figure. In 2D we only deal with length and breadth of the figure. But in 3D we deal with all three, length, breadth and height. It means we give the thickness to the figure. In this there is no thickness. Thickness is not there. It is basically the 2D plain figures like A4 sheets. These are plain figures. But if we arrange n number of sheets back to back, we will give them height. And after giving height, it will become 3D. Okay? Just like matchbox, table. These all are 3D figures. Okay? In this, thickness is taken in the account. Okay? So in mathematics, we have different figures. Suppose we talk about rectangle. What does it rectangle? Rectangle is a plain figure, means 2D figure like this. It has only length and breadth. But if we give this rectangle the height, it will become cuboid. What it will become? Cuboid. Suppose like this. I'll make the figure. This length, breadth and we provide the height to it. Okay? This is cuboid. Suppose we take another example like square. The square has side, it means length and breadth are equal. And if we provide it height, it will become cube. What it will become? Cube. Now, next, circle. If we provide it height, it will become cylinder. It will become cylinder. The circle is like this. If we put n number of circles to each other, it will become cylinder. Height h and radius r. Okay? This is all about. Now, let's see some examples related to these. Suppose if we take the example of cuboid. Cuboid has many examples. Let's take matchbox. Okay. For cube, we can take the ice cube. Cylinder, we can take the can, Coke. For cone, which is also a 3D figure, we can take the example of birthday cone or funnel. Basically the birthday cap. Three things we deal in this chapter: TSA, CSA and volume. TSA means total surface area. And what is CSA? Curved surface area. And volume, you know that. Basically the capacity. Volume is basically the capacity of an object. Okay. In this, the unit is unit square, because only 2 dimensions deals, and this unit is unit cube, because we deal with length, breadth and height. In this only length and breadth, or R and H. In this we have 3 dimensions. Okay. Now first deal with cuboid. Cuboid. Let's first draw the figure of it to make it understandable. This is length, this is breadth and this is height. First calculate the total surface area. Total surface area means the area of all 6 faces. The cuboid has how many faces? 6 faces. So area of all total 6 faces. Basically the length, 2 faces of length, breadth, 2 faces of, this is breadth and this is length. Other is breadth and height, breadth and height, and 2 are height and length. If we take 2 common, the formula becomes 2LB plus BH plus HL. This is the total surface area cuboid. Second is curved surface area, which is in which top and bottom not taken. It means 2BH plus HL, or in short we can take 2H common, L plus B. This is curved surface area. In short we can also take it as perimeter into height. Perimeter of what? Rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle S. And third is volume, which is equals to length into breadth into height. Okay. Like cuboid, we have the formulas for cube also. Okay. You can derive from that by taking L is equals to B is equals to H equals to A. So first is TSA, which is equals to 6A square, like one face area is A square and 6 faces 6A square. Then CSA, which is equals to 4 faces, so means 4A square. And third is volume, which is equals to A cube. Then we move to cylinder. Okay. Just make the figure of cube also. I also make the value. This is like a cube. And how is cylinder made? This is the height and this is radius. H for height and R for radius, which is also equals to diameter upon 2 if we have given the diameter. In this we have to use one thing that is just called pi, and the value for it is 3.14 or 22 upon 7. Okay. As per required question we take the value. First is TSA, means total surface area. Total matlab this curve plus 2 circles. It means 2 pi RH, which is curve, plus 2 pi r square means 2 circles. So formula become 2 pi r h plus r. This is the formula for TSA. Now we take for CSA. I earlier told 2 pi RH, which is also circumference into height. 2 pi r into h. We know that this is circumference of circle and this is height. Now third is volume, which is equals to pi r square into h. That's